Me and Molly just wanted to show you quickly the electric lead for putting it away. You know, I did have somebody tell me this in one of my other videos, and it's very good information that, and I was very silly not to do this, but always unplug from the mains first before you unplug from your van. And you can see here I've tried to uncoil it as much as possible. It's the longest of the lead, because obviously that is also a potential hazard, and it does mean that we will be buying a shorter lead. See this on the van, you got a little, actually pull out, and then you're good. And then I get my bag that I bought, cable cozy, which is the second one because the zip gripped, and try and magically make sure that all goes into that. So I'm not going to bore you with me going through it, but I'll just quickly show you I've done it afterwards. Cheers. Ta-da! Impressed, Mal? Yes, look at that. Done. Keep watching.